Oh, hi Vinay, can you share my, can you see my screen? Can you see Vinay? Oh,
Yes, yes, yes.
okay. So now see, there is a two types of formula is here is sum x, average x. Okay. So now we move to the count. Count is what? Move to the second sheet. Suppose if I done with some formatting with the sheet, take background, choose the color of this one. Okay. So now I move to the main function is like one more two function count. How to, what is the importance of count? See, suppose in the sales table, this one is a complete row is how much? 60,398. Okay, count this one. So
Okay,
this
yes, yes, yes.
so this thing we have to count from count formula. How to do under the text? You can directly go to new measure. Okay, and go to count of sales is equal to count, and count will include the all the value related to number, values, format, or anything value. So it will count all the rows in which there is a numerical value or there is an alphabetical value. Okay, so count for under the sales. Suppose if you want to count the sales amount, so it will not count your sale of sums. No, it will count the number of rows under the sales amount is given. See, the measure is created a count of sales. You can directly go here, okay, and then put it here from count of sales. See, the value is 60 point k, and when you put it here and remove the added the two column, two dot, see the total amount, the total number of rows is 60.40 k, means 60,000 approx 400.
40K.
And to search the here is 60,398, means it's approx 60,400. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So
Yes,
this
yes. Okay, sir.
this one is used for count. Like in Excel, if you want to, and count include all the numerical value as well as alphabetical value. Suppose in the column of sales, suppose if we remove some of the value relating to like this one, I want to remove no. Suppose this one I want to put the Harsh. Okay. Suppose if I put the Harsh and save it, then it will also count this value also. When you go to the home and refresh, then it will also count the same, because count formula contain all the value related to numerical as well as alphabetical. Okay, see it will count it again
Sir, in real time, where we can use this formula, sir?
in real time. Yes, suppose if you done with the like suppose you have make some product sold. Okay, so if your manager asks that how much quantity you sold for this product, then you use the count formula.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
How much quantity you sold? Suppose you have subcategory related to phone, related to like related to phone, related to IT, related to laptop. Suppose if your managers tell you that in the month of July, how much you have sold the phone or how much you have sold the laptop, then we need the count. Okay.
Okay, I'm understanding, sir. No.
Yeah. uh, so now suppose see all the reply, see 16.39 k. Okay, it's automatically refreshed. Now under the for this, suppose if we put in the same value here, control S, if we change, if we make any changes under the main file, the changes will reflect there.
Okay, okay. Yes.
So all the changes will reflect there. Okay. And the next dex is counter. Okay, counter is used for only the count of numerical value in a cell or in a column. Okay, count is used for both and counter is used for only numerical value.
Okay, sir. Done.
Counter, uh, count of cells, counter. Okay, it will use your numerical value only. Suppose under the sales amount, because we don't have anything to judge right now in this example, so that's we use the same formula and see if we use the same, it means it will give you the complete count like it's same like this one. You can directly go to the new chart and move the count of sales, see the complete value count of sales. You can directly choose the two link 60.4k, because all the sales column value have numerical value and it will also count under the counter. Okay, and this all are the explicit formula, see explicit DAX. Okay, so these kind of DAX formula we have generated. Now we have done with some of the visualization, like how to do some of the chart type. This is total sales. When we do some of the, like here is if we want to do some formatting like category of title on, go to title and total sales. Okay, and choose the font color is white, background color is this one, and make the changes of alignment, and doing this one is 19 or 20. See, it will give you the complete effect of sales. And if you want to change the font here, you can directly change the font also. See, the total sales is done. Now you can done with the format painter.
Format painter.
Those, see, all the things are changed. Maybe let me go. Format painter done. Why all the changes is not done? Format. Done. This one, format, and this. Okay, only the name is changing. This one is not changing. Maybe. Let me just make it back. This one, format, and this. Because it's not a total sales, that's why it will increase the total sales value. Suppose here is a title, total sales.
Yes, I get
Okay,
it.
yeah. So now under this, this one is average. So you can directly put the average sales. Under this, the total sales. See title on. See, not formatting. Okay. See, under this, a total sales is already formatting. So if you want to choose the format and click here, see, done.
Yes.
Choose format and here, because we have not written the value is here. That's why. Here
Yes, sir.
you can go format and painter. So here is the total sales. This one is total average sales. Okay. Average sales. It will save your time many times. And this is also an average sale. Okay. Now from the next point of view, suppose if you move this side is up, total sales, average sales, and this one is total sales, and this one is, or you can directly move here. Because the formatting part is very tough in this Power BI, because you have to make the visualization ready as per your structure. Like here is the total sales and average sales. Directly go put go to directly here choose the value of total sales. Okay, now this one is for total sales and this one is for average sales. Done. Now we have done some of the Gantt chart. Like under the Gantt chart, suppose this one is used when, suppose if you want to compare the target value with the sales. Like suppose here under the Gantt chart, suppose under the calendar note, we have a sales table. Okay, suppose if we want to use the sales measure, this one or this one, sales, total sales including, okay, this one, total sales, and the average sales is this one. So you can go to target, click here from the target value, see the average, sorry, not this one. You can go to here from total sales and go to total sales, target value, see the total sales including this without tax is 29.36 and with tax or freight is 32.4 million. That's why we are using the freight this Gantt chart, because we have to compare the target value. Okay, so it will give you the complete effect regarding the target value. When you move this one under the tab and fix it here. Now is it okay?
Yeah.
Now we have done
Okay.
some of the visualization like stacks or line column chart. Go to here and put the, suppose, calendar table, date. Okay, and now we have put the total sales including tax, this one. See, we have complete 4-year sale 2001, 2, 3 and 4. If you do some formatting with this, like you have to own the data label, you have to make some changes in like border and shadow. Okay, see this kind of table you have made it. And the second thing, you have the hierarchical order, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. And the next thing is for month wise also you have. Okay, so you have all the details regarding the sales value. Like here is the month wise, suppose if you need only quarter wise and comparability with the sales. Okay, suppose if you have do one thing more, go to this and there is the option of line value. Okay, there is the option of line value under the line, because we don't have anything like suppose if we charge the tax under the line value, so you can directly go to the tax amount and put it the line value. See the how much is sales and how much is the tax is complete there. Okay, so now it's done with the total sales and done with the tax line. Okay, so this visualization is ready according to the total sales and total after tax से उसको हमने complete visualization को ready कर दिया. अब suppose next we use the this which one, suppose we use the pie chart. Under the pie chart, अच्छा, see why we use the pie chart, tell me why we use the pie chart. Because we have a product category. Okay, so we want to use the product category. There's a 4 product category, and on the basis of sales, total sales, total average sales, no, we have done with the total sales. See the product 1, 4 and 3 category have a total sales. Suppose here we use the only just sales measure. See the complete sales measure is used. because the highest sales is for product category 1 and product category 4 is 7 lakh or product category 3 is 3 lakh or this one is 2 crore 83 lakhs 18,114. 96.4% sale of the product category 1. Or if you use the suppose territory wise, so you can directly go to the territory and suppose country wise if you need, then remove this one. Under the country, see there is a country wise sales is ready. Country wise is total sales. Suppose here is a legend. Suppose if you don't want to show the legend here, then what is the main thing is go to detail tab, choose here from all detail label from here, like see United States have 31.98% and remove this one. Okay, so this one is called a legend. You can directly remove this one and this your pie chart is ready. And search the border and shadow and change the value of total sales measure. See this one, how to change, click format and this. See total sales including tax and freight, done with this only. Complete this one, formatting and paste it here. See sales measure by country, same as you can directly go to format and done with this kind of done. Total sales and closing tax and freight and tax amount by quarter. This one is the line value. Okay, see there is a one thing, detail label is not on here because we have done with the formatting with this step, so we need to use the data label on. See data label is on. Now here is also, suppose detail label is already on. All detail label is on. Suppose if you want to increase the size of this, it will increase the size of this your chart. So tell me, how's it? Can you hear me, Vinay?
Yeah.
See, the complete dashboard is ready. Sales dashboard 124, total sales, total sales, total sales. Means this one is implicit, explicit, and this one is including tax. If you need to change your name with this, you can directly change the name for this also. Like
Yes.
sales.
Okay.
Here, go to here, visualization. Change the name is total sales, bracket, tax and sales. Okay, see total sales and here is also average sales with tax and freight. According to the name, you can choose the name what you want as per your organization. See average sales and freight, and this one is only explicit and implicit. This one is why I have done. This one is already done with the Power BI. This one we have done with the tax comparison, and this one also we have done with the tax formula without creating any new column under the tab. Okay, because if we found under the tab, see there is a no column add under the sales. When you go to the sales table, see, there is a no new column at sales, tax amount and sales. Total sales is no any column for this. Okay. So without any column, if we done any task in the Power BI, it is only done with the DAX.
DAX.
Okay. So now I think you are going to go with six formulas for DAX, sum X,
Yes.
X, and
Yeah. Average.
average X. Okay. So in the next class, we have done some of the functional formula. Okay. Then function or two kind like this kind of formula. See, I will already tell you. Download. I think the file is not downloaded. Let me just open. Next, we have done some of the logical. Okay. Some of the logical means
Okay.
like if and false, if error, not this kind of, and then other function like blank, error. Okay, then relationship function, this kind of, because these are important, mostly important. Okay, That's why, and this one is the sum of the like month, hour, date value, date if, calendar auto, how to use this kind of, okay. Then we use the multiple text formula, so you don't need to worry about that, because slowly it's working. So now see, your visualization is how much is presentable. It's a very good presentable. When you show in your organization that you have made this kind of presentation, it will, they will directly hire you. I know, because when you
Okay.
are able to maintain this kind of presentation and doing the same kind of task just for 1 or 2 times, then you are not able to do this same kind of task you have done multiple times. That's is the reason to increase the value of DAX, or learn the value of DAX and increase the value of your growing purpose. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I hope maybe you don't have any doubt right now. If you have then any doubt, then please tell me.
Yeah. Present, I have no doubt, sir. If I going to practice,
Mhm.
definitely I will approach to
Yeah,
you.
sure. So you don't have any more friends to join the class, because we have also started the new batch from next weekend. Okay. So if you have any friend, relatives,
Yeah.
or,
Yeah.
or
Actually,
any other your contact, so you can directly, you please you share me my videos to that. Okay. Or otherwise you
sure,
can
sir.
share my video to your WhatsApp or your LinkedIn or your anything profile. Maybe they are able to join. Okay. Because my fees is not much
Definitely.
higher, just 2,000 right now.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Because you have paid me just 1,000, and I have charged, now I increase some of the fees for 2,000 only. Okay. So if you have any other friends for Power BI, Excel, Advanced Excel, Excel VBA, these kind of skill I have already started from next. Okay. So if
Sure,
you
sir.
have
Definitely,
any
I will share my
friends
friends.
related this kind of, so you can directly join with me. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Done.
Okay, then I will share this file in my app. This file is shared with you on WhatsApp, as well as the demo file is shared with your app, or video is already done with the app. Okay.
Share,
Sorry.
sir. Can you please share the DAX file, sir? DAX link.
Yeah, sure. Let me share here.
I will
Let me share
waiting.
here.
Yeah, yeah,
Let
yeah.
me
Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Good night.
Yeah, sure. I share here. Okay. So you can directly go and search what is the